Yep.
It's very beautiful here.
Oh my word, it's so gorgeous. There's even a light breeze. Well, even though the sun is hot and it's warm out, the light breeze is nice and cool and helping.
Alright, just a little update. We just got here to Prospector Campground in Colorado, and it's a beautiful sunny day today. So I don't know if you can see the sun, it's out there. It's about to go behind the mountains. So it's been on solar since we got here. We're still at full battery, 12.7. So we'll get an update here later on this evening. I might use some electricity, just basically lights probably, and then we're just charging some phones and we're charging my GoPro batteries. We might experiment a little bit with the TV, so I might turn on the inverter and just run the TV for a short time just to see, kind of test the battery out and see what it does tomorrow morning. It just suddenly got really noisy, didn't it? It was very quiet here just a second ago. I love to videotape while we're eating, don't we? So here's our gourmet hot brats, not brats. Hot dogs. Yeah.
Yes.
We don't eat hot dogs.
Fancier than hot dogs.
Good morning again from Prospector Campground in Colorado, and beautiful morning out there today. Beautiful sunny day. Once again, just a little quick battery update. We didn't really use any battery at all, except for running some lights. We didn't run the furnace. Could have. It was down to 46 last night, but we were still pretty warm in here. And battery is back up to 13.2 now, so fully charged, just from the solar. We only have the two 100-watt panels on the roof, but they're doing the job for our needs anyways at this point.
We slept so good. Oh.
Alright, we just dumped at the Upper Blue Sanitation District. There's no dump stations or water at any of the campgrounds in Frisco, Dillon Reservoir area. It's $10 to dump and get water. Nothing like the feeling of full batteries, full fresh, zero gray, zero black, and full on propane. There's nothing like that feeling.
No.
Ready to boondock for a week. We're on our way. We don't know where we're going to stay yet tonight. Change of plans. We're not going to Utah. We are staying in Colorado. All right, Blue River Campground. It's just a little bit north of Silverthorne. Looks like a really beautiful campground. It was a little bit tight coming in one way with the RV. We have a 25-foot RV, so it wasn't a problem. So it looks like it's $22 per night. And there's some really nice sites that are right along the river, the Blue River. So I'll be showing you that here in just a second. Well, pretty awesome views in this area. Mountains, surrounded by mountains. Looks like there's some pit toilets. And then there's some sites that are right along the river, which is what I was hoping to get. And looks like we were able to manage to get the last one that was by the river, site number 10. So pretty awesome. Got lucky with that. It's Labor Day weekend though, so today is Monday. Everybody's leaving today, so I guess that's why we got a little lucky. A little bit later and we may not have gotten so lucky. Looks like all the sites have a pretty view though. Chipmunk. Alright, another update on our situation here with the battery. We're at Blue River Campground. No hookups, so we're boondocking again for the rest of the week. And we are still at full battery, 13.4, which means it's currently actively charging. So we have full solar. They're working hard, keeping our batteries up. All we're using is the fan. It's actually pretty warm, but the fan keeps us cool, so no need for air conditioner. So what do you think of this campground so far?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. I like the river. I like how quiet and peaceful it is. Obviously, it's kind of like one of these national parks, so there isn't any services, but that's what makes the environment so beautiful.
Now we wait to find out who our neighbors are going to be. That's always that eternal struggle with, is it going to be a busload of really loud people that like to party till 2 a.m. or is it going to be a quiet person who likes to read and go to bed at 7 o'clock? We will soon find out. So we don't use the awning very much, but one thing I use the awning for. We don't use the awning very much, but the one thing that we do use it for is to help kind of defray some of the sun from hitting the side of the camper. Kind of reduce the amount of heat that's getting into the camper, especially midday. How's it going? How did you sleep last night?
I slept so well. Yeah, really well.
Yeah, very peaceful campground. It's about checkout time now. We kind of took it easy this morning. We have, what time is it? 10:37 and checkout is at 11, I think. Battery situation, 12.6. Actually went down to 12.5 overnight, but we're still at 80 to 90% with the battery. Again, we're just using electricity with the lights, and then we did run the furnace a little bit this morning. That's pretty much it. Charging our stuff, charging cell phones, etc. But we're staying at 80 to 90% pretty much consistently, even without any power since Sunday, a couple of days ago. So on our way to the next campground, we are headed back to the Frisco area, and we are going to be staying at the Peak 1 campground for the next 3 nights. And just doing a quick little walkthrough, make sure the awning is in, make sure all the compartments are closed, check the bike rack. Actually, I haven't talked about the bike rack yet. We got some new bikes. I want to talk about that in another video, so stay tuned for that. Hitch looks intact. Ready to go.